Let's do a silk press at home. Prices are already high, so let's just do it ourselves. This is why I know I TikTok too hard, because I saw somebody use this flat iron and I was like, yeah, we're gonna have to give that a try. I can't even remember the last time that I flat ironed my hair. So this is gonna be, I feel like it grew since like last week. I feel like it grew since last week. What's going on? It looks thicker, which is also why I want to try heated rollers. That might give me like really nice body, because I already have just like a really good blowout base. I blew my hair out with the Rev and I really think that it's been helping with my length retention, because my hair is so much longer. It's just like, now I wouldn't say it's fuller, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like my hair is getting thinner and thinner. I don't know why. And maybe because I'm used to the crochet and the crochet thickness. I need to get used to my hair density again. I am on a length retention journey to just grow my hair as long as I can get it, be on a really nice regimen, get my trims. I've been going too often. I've been going every 6 to 8 weeks. Apparently that's too often, and I should be going every 3 to 4 months. So we'll be doing that instead, and just, you know, documenting the length. And after I straighten my hair, I'm gonna do a little length check and just, you know, keep check. But I feel like the trims have been working well. I have less and less split ends. I'm just dealing with, you know, my hair just being fine and fragile. Fine hair is so fragile. It's like angel hair pasta compared to regular pasta. So like, it's just so freaking fragile. But yeah, this is from Hot Tools. It doesn't say what kind of plates, which is a little troublesome, which is a little worrisome, but you know, I've seen a couple professionals using it, so I figured, you know, what's the harm? There's like LR and an LR switch, so I'm assuming left plates, right plates, or left and right plates. I have it set on LR, left and right plates. And then there is a digital temperature dial. It goes up to 455. My hair would fry off. So I'm at 390, especially in the back, because the back is super, super fine and soft. It's just like soft hair. So I'm gonna go a little lower on that, but my crown is a lot coarser. It's not even coarser, it's still fine, but it's just like, she fights back. We could go up to 410 in the crown area. Yeah, I'm excited to try. Like I said, I did my Rev blowout, and I've been doing, I feel like my regimen has been working. I've been using a lot of Olaplex, like the entire Olaplex line. And then I've been using a lot of Sacred, like the moisturizing sealing lotion, what else do I have that's Sacred? The drops, the shampoo, I have the conditioner. I feel like that has been really like just nicely moisturizing for my hair. And then the Olaplex is really strengthening. And then I use this brand called Nasara Organics, which actually has Cash Doll as their first brand ambassador. And you know Cash Doll's hair is gorgeous. So I've been using her protein potion. And then she has a moisturizer that's water-based, because you need moisture, which is water, in your hair. So it's water-based, which is gonna be a struggle for me now that my hair is gonna be straight right now, but we're gonna figure that out. I use the moisturizer every day, and then I use the oil every day on my scalp when I have my crochet in, which is why I always say, like, I love having the crochet, because you get direct access to your scalp. Like, when I'm doing like a sew-in, I love a sew-in too, because I get direct access to my scalp. But if I'm doing like a quick weave, that's why I don't like quick weaves. Like, I love the idea of a quick weave, but I don't even feel like quick weaves are faster for me. Like, the whole process doesn't feel faster. I'm actually pretty good at doing a sew-in fast, so I don't feel like the quick weave is quicker. I do like that it comes off in one piece though. This is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Heat Protection Spray. I love this stuff. I'm gonna put that all over. I already have the Olaplex oil in, which has heat protectant, but I like doing, you know, extra layers. Can never have too much in. Brush that through. Okay, so let's start in the back. Like I said, this hair back here is super fine. Just keeping a routine has been really good for my hair. So I don't need to chase this back section. Okay. That's straight. I think style-wise, I might end up for a side part with a flip up, which is gonna be cute. So you just gotta trust the process. Okay. Okay. I like it. I'll turn around for this next section so you can really see the back. Super, super smooth. And as you guys can see, I like to take really thin sections so that way all of the hair is getting straightened. Sometimes when the sections are too chunky, hair that's sandwiched kind of in the middle isn't getting pressed, but not too thin. Find the right balance. But yeah, I'm thinking of, for my routine, like I want to keep up a really good routine. I'll be in a twice monthly washing routine, so I'll wash every 2 weeks, do a deep condition. I usually do either or, meaning that I'll do 1 week I will do protein, and then the next couple of weeks I'll do a moisturizing mask. So I'm always alternating. That way I don't have a protein overload. So I'm always, you know, because you want to bring the strength back to your hair, but protein can make your hair, you know, brittle, dry, and break off if you have you're using too much of it. And then the other week, like I said, is a really good moisturizing one. I use the Sacred Deep Conditioning Mask, which might be actually a little bit protein. I use a couple, so I'll use that. I'll use the Unite Moisturizing Deep Hydration Mask. That one's really nice. That's the one I used a couple of weeks ago. Just to bring the moisture back in my hair because I live in the desert and the UVs are damaging, the climate is dry, and you know, I try to stay hydrated so my hair reflects it. Like my hair is always really nicely, I never feel like my hair is like so dry because I make sure to get my water in. This is actually moving pretty quickly. And this cut, yeah, she did not play about that cut. Oh! She did not play about that cut. Oof. Okay, we're moving fast. I might just do one whole half and then, oh, hello, Lenny. What's up, buddy? Did you have a nap? You did. Was it nice? Wow. Wow. Did you eat your lunch? Wow. One pass. One pass, Nancy. Look at your big Maria. Are you confused? Are you confused, my dear? Okay, bye. But yeah, it's so soft. Okay, let's do this front section. And this will, you guys will be better able to see the parting anyway. Ooh. Probably could have went all the way down, but there we go. And I'll be posting more horizontal videos on YouTube, like how we did back in the days. I watch YouTube videos almost every day. I don't watch the vertical ones, so because I watch most of my YouTube videos on the TV, so I need it to be horizontal. Like if it's not, I'm not watching it. And then what I like to do when I get to the top, split that in half, and then just work in the back because it's too wide. This unintentionally, by accident, became a silk press. Like the movement, I have a ceiling fan on, that's it. Like the amount of movement is dramatic. It's blowing like I got a Beyonce fan on. Like hello? I feel like my hair grew an inch in 3 days. Like, I'm not gonna lie. It's so much longer this week than it was last week. I said I was gonna fix my highlights and I didn't. I lied. Before I do my next style or my next wash, whatever, I will touch up my highlights and make them actually look uniform. Like, make them actually look like purposeful, you know. Oh, we are breezing through. Look at her move. With some flat irons, my hair feels so hot to the touch. Like, if I touched it right now, it'd be like steaming hot, right? My hair doesn't feel hot. Like, it feels like warm, but like not hot. That's crazy. Okay. Wow. And mind you, I think I'm just a little bit pressed because I've never done a silk press after my rev air, because every time I use the rev air, I'm like, this is a really nice blowout. Like, no, you know, no pulling, no tugging, but it's a smooth blowout. And I was like, if I ever decide to silk press, this is probably a really good foundation. This might be a little insane and random to say, but they said that the earth is spinning just a little faster, which is why time feels like it's moving fast. Huh. You know, when you just get to the last few sections and you just think about all the errands you finna run. Ooh. Okay, let me stop here first. Stop there first. While it's still nice and fresh. I don't know why I'm so, like, I'm really pressing for a middle part, but we're not. Like, I don't know if I know this yet, but we're not doing a middle part. Okay, cute. Let me show you all the back. Like, the amount of flow is nasty work. Like, this is nasty work. She really did her big one on the cuts. I said instead of middle, and I wanted to do like a flip out look too. So I want to go this way. So I want to do, but now I'm like, is my hair too long? Like flipped out? I'm tripping. I feel like that's cute. Okay, we gotta do it. We gotta do it. Okay, we're gonna do 350. I want hair by the end of this. Should we do one more coat of heat protectant? Just a little. I actually went to the lunch for this product, so I know I can use a lot of it. Like, it layers, so I think we're okay. Let's split half. We're gonna do, I'm gonna do big chunks because I don't want like feathers or anything. I just want, and we're going out. Okay, I mean, we can't go back. We can't go back. Okay. Ah! That was really disgusting. Don't ever do that again. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna do this side last. Okay, so we'll lay like that. And then, no, not too curled, just like that. Yeah, like that, like soft. Hold on, just one chunk. I think we see it going that way. Like this, but then that needs to go on that side. Like that. Okay. start here, and then, yes, like that. There we go. So it goes like that. Start here, and then, yes, there we go. Okay. Okay. And then, because I did want that little curl, and I keep it. I get a little edge control, but I also want to keep it nice and soft, just to keep it all in place. But how freaking cute! So I'm giving this flat iron a 10 out of 10. Like, my hair feels like silk. It feels healthy, even though like I just did an entire, it's so soft. Like, I'm definitely gonna give it a, I would actually give it a 9. I would love, like, I would love to know what these plates are made out of. But in the meantime, like, super, super, super pretty. Could do a little bit of oil, but I don't want my hair to feel too weighed down. But it's so light and airy. I'm ready to go run my errands, y'all! So let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'm gonna do a length check next, so stay tuned for that so we can track my length together. I love you guys. Talk to you next time. Bye.